So dear students, let us continue our discussion with coal-based combined cycle plants. And like basically what we must understand over here is that this is not the thermal-based power plant. Okay, coal is not directly burned; it is used to generate the electrical energy. But the thing is, here we are going to use two cycles. Number one, that means gas-based power plant, and the thermal power plant. All right. So why we are going through this? First of all, the coal is not that efficient fuel. We are having better fuels, other oils or natural gas that are more efficient. But the thing is that the coal, first of all, we are having large reserves of it, and second, there have been too much research on coal to make it an efficient fuel in the recent years. So utilization of coals, because there are many coal-based power plants, in an efficient way is one of the desirable things. So we are having a pressurized fluidized bed combustion system and an integrated gasification combined cycle. So let us take the first one, and I am going to explain the basic structure of this power plant. So number one is the PFBC system. Okay, let me take the whole page so that it comes out clearly. Okay. So first of all, let us begin from, we have to begin from certain point. So let me take a structure like this, furnace type of structure. Okay, here we are going to supply the coal. I should take a bit. Plus limestone. The function of the limestone is to one second. Actually, the function of the limestone is to absorb the sulfur. When the coal is burnt, sulfur is there. This limestone absorbs the sulfur. Okay. So what will happen after burning of the coal in this furnace? Okay, this is also known as fluidized bed boiler. Okay, so coal is inserted in this chamber, along with the limestone. The coal is burned. The sulfur that is being produced is absorbed by the limestone. Of course, there is ash produced, so the ash will come out of this. Ash will come out of this. The gases that are produced, the hot gases that are being produced, or that were flue gases in the case of steam turbine, right? Because after the burning of the coal, a vortex type of structure, or the gases along with the dust and fly ash and everything will be there, and they will come out. They are taken out from this chamber and they are first cleaned up. Okay, so let me have a cleaner over here, gas cleaner. I should take it a bit like this. So I am having a gas cleaner over here. I am feeding this. This is nothing but a gas cleaner, and of course it will give out the dust, and the the gases now that are clean gases will come out and they will drive the turbine. Okay, so let us have a turbine like this. This is a turbine, and this turbine is basically going to, I should draw it in a reverse manner in order to have a simple structure. So this is a turbine, and it will drive what? It will drive our generator. This turbine will be connected to the compressor. Okay, and we are going to feed an air in this compressor, and a compressed air will come out of it. Compressed air will be coming out of it, and it will be going inside this chamber. So this completes our cycle, right? The compressed air goes into the combustion of the coal, along with the combustion of the coal, because even in the steam based turbine plants, what we do is we inject coal and air inside the chamber, which burns together. That facilitates the burning of the coal. If we are not providing the air, what will happen? The coal will not burn fully. So the coal along with the air results in the combustion of the coal, and the sulfur is absorbed by the limestone. Okay, and the ash is taken out. Now this cycle basically, if you see, becomes the basics of the gas based power plant. Now there must be the expelled gases from here, right? Turbine, after running this turbine, we are having certain expelled gases. What we are going to do with these gases, let us see. Before this, before coming to this part over here, let me take another color, and I am going to utilize this chamber. अभी तक मैंने इस चेंबर को स्टीम बेस्ड पावर प्लांट की तरह यूज नहीं किया. Alright, so what can I do is I can have certain pipelines in this structure. ठीक है, और वो पाइपलाइंस कैसे होंगी? We are going to introduce water inside this. इस जगह से मैं water introduce करूंगा, and the output will be your steam. This will run the turbine. ठीक है, प्लस एक और चीज मैं यहां पे बता रहा हूं, वो ये कि इसको गौर से देखिएगा. दिस इज स्टीम टर्बाइन 1 एंड दिस इज स्टीम टर्बाइन 2. ये इसको क्या बोलते थे? रीहीटर. Okay, we reheat our air or the steam. We reheat our steam and feed it back to another turbine. These are connected in same shaft, and this will run our 3-phase alternator. अब ये जो expelled steam है, इसको क्या करना है? हमें ठंडा करना है. So we will again use a structure like this. Alright, ये जो steam ये जो water expel हुआ है, इसको हम ठंडा करेंगे. This cold water will go back to this. तो अब ये देखो steam cycle पूरी हो गई. Right? Are you getting my point? अगेन ये जो हीट यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस हुई है, हम यहाँ पे एक हीट रिकवरी सिस्टम बना सकते हैं, ठीक है, लाइक दिस. The main idea is to recover as much heat as possible to generate the electricity. Okay, so we are having this condenser over here, ठीक है, और इस ये हीट रिकवरी यहाँ पे भी होगी, ठीक है. So we have these gases that are coming out of this hot gases after running the gas based turbine. It is cooled down in this heat recovery scheme and to the stack. स्टैक क्या चीज होती है? स्टैक लॉन्ग चिमनीज होती हैं जिसके ऊपर से हम इन गैसेस को in the air, we expel these gases in the air through these chimneys. There are two types of chimneys in power plant that are, first of all, this type of chimneys, other chimneys are like this. If you have seen the power plants, there are two types of chimneys. The one are long and of less diameter, and second are of larger diameter but of and a larger diameter and of short height. So these are basically used to cool off the water that is coming inside the condenser. Okay, ये कंडेंसर में तो पानी आ रहा होगा, इस पानी को ठंडा करना होता है, तो उसको ठंडा कैसे करते हैं? यूजिंग कूलिंग टावर्स. और ये जो गैसेस को एक्सपेल करना है, गैसेस को अगर हमें एक्सपेल करना है, आउटसाइड निकालना है, तो पहले हम उसको ठंडा करते हैं, फिर उसको हम टू दी स्टैक निकाल देते हैं बाहर, ठीक है, यूजिंग अ लॉन्ग टावर. बिकॉज if we are going to use a short tower, it will not go into the environment or it will fall off in the nearby environment, ताकि एयर उस इन गैसेस को दूर तक ले जाएं, इसलिए हम हाई टावर्स यूज करते हैं. सो दिस इज बेसिकली नोन एज द स्टैक. ओके, so this structure is basically known as the pressurized fluidized bed combustion system. Okay, we are having a fluidized bed boiler over here, and this is being utilized for steam generation over in this portion and gas based turbine system in this system. Now here we are not using a combustion chamber as in the gas based turbine power plant. Here the hot gases that have been produced by the coal, by burning of the coal, are utilized directly to run the turbine. In another process, that is the second process, that is known as the gasification, integrated gasification combined cycle, we produce the coal gas. Okay, we produce the coal gas, or we gasify the coal and introduce the limestone again to. Let us look at that structure. IGCC system. So in this system we are going to have, first of all, the gasification chamber, and in this we are going to introduce coal and limestone. Sorry. So this is our gasification chamber. Or should I write it? Gasification chamber. Okay. and we introduce oxygen and steam in this in order to produce or to facilitate the gasification process. The output of this will be slag. Okay, it will not be ash over here, it will be a kind of slag. This gas, we can say the coal gas that comes out of this is cooled down first of all. So for cooling down, what we do is we pass it through a certain chamber in which water is coming in and coming out. Okay, water is coming in and out. It cools the gas. Then what we do is we use a chamber to desulfurize this fuel gas. There's still some sulfur left. Okay, so desulfurization, and this over here comes out the fuel gas. All right. So of course the unwanted things come out from this chamber and they are stored, or we are not bothered about what goes on with this. So this fuel gas is then fed to the combustion chamber of the gas based power plant. So we are going to have similar structure, that means the compressor, the turbine, and they are connected together like this. So we are going to give air into this. This will go into this. The fuel will come from this side. It will burn, and high pressure air will come in contact with this burned fuel gases. It will expand. Then it will run the turbine. This expelled hot gases are now utilized. Now I'm going to change the color to generate the steam. Okay. Now this goes into what? A chamber, another chamber. This chamber is basically known as heat recovery steam generator. Heat, or I should write it small form in HRSG. What is HRSG? Heat recovery steam generator. So we are generating the steam in this. Okay. So what we are doing is these expelled gases are going into this, and like this, and this goes to the stack so that we can expel the used gases out in the air. Here we are introducing the water. This water comes in contact with these pipelines. It turns into steam. Okay, so steam comes out of this chamber, and then what will happen? We are having a steam turbine over here, and it will run the three-phase alternator, which will generate the supply. And the expelled, what will happen? The expelled steam is again cooled down in what? In a condenser, right? Like this, and it is fed back to this chamber. Of course, I should write it in the correct way. This is what? A condenser. In this condenser we are entering the water and water is coming out. This goes to the cooling tower. Okay, so this cycle goes on like this, and this cycle is like the is drawn like this. So we are having a coal being converted into its gaseous form, and then it is desulfurized or purified, then it is burned as a fuel. Earlier we were not using it as a fuel, and here gas based turbine is used to generate the electricity. So the one thing is remaining over here, that is this should be, what should it there should be generation over here also, because this is basic purpose is to generate the electricity. Here the steam turbine generates the, this is gas based turbine and this is steam turbine. All right. Okay, sorry. Now it is more clear. So this is what the integrated gasification combined cycle plant looks like. This is schematic of this. So you must be able to write it in your own words now. Thank you very much.